welcome to this tutorial series about Chef. And today we are going to set up our local development environment. And as we discussed in last tutorial, we need three software to work with Chef on our local environment. One is Chef Development Kit, then Vagrant, and also then Virtualbox. So let's start with installation. And first, what I will do, I will type Chef download, and then I will go to the first link, and with this link it's going to take me to downloads.chef.io, and here it gives me a lot of options like chef client, chef server, inspect, and supermarket, everything. So instead of that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Chef Development Kit and start download. So based on your environment, you can download different versions like Debian or Mac or Ubuntu or Windows. So I am on Mac, so I'm going to download this. So I will click on this, and my Mac version is 10.3. So the download will start, and after the download is done, I'm going to click on that installer, and just like any software installer, it will give you options, and you just have to follow the process, and the installation will be done. So let's see. Okay, so now installer has started. So I'm going to click on the installer and follow the steps and do the installation. So it's going to install everything, including Chef Development Kit and all the Ruby code. It will install Ruby also in your environment, because Chef, as we discussed in last tutorial, is totally dependent on Ruby, and it's written on Ruby. So I'm going to do installation. It's going to ask ID password. So let's give ID password and do the install software. And it's going to write, it's going to take some time, and once the installation is done, I'll come back. So now the installation is done. I'm going to close this and delete the installer, and going to go to my terminal and going to check what's the Chef version. So to do that, I will type chef hyphen version, and then it will tell me what's the Chef version. So we have installed 2.5.3, and along with that, it has installed various other Chef software like Bugs, Kitchen, and Inspect. We will see everything in future tutorial and see what are all these and how they are used. So what it also does, when you install Chef Development Kit, it will also install Git in the background. So if you don't have Git, it will do the installation of Git as well. So since I had it, it didn't install that. So now the next part is doing Vagrant. So I'm going to go to again and do search for Vagrant, and it takes me to vagrantapp.com and downloads.html. And again, based on your software, do the download, and it has many options. So I'm going to download for Mac, and it's going to download that. And once this installer download is complete, I'm going to click that and start the installation. So now the installer has started. I'm going to click on the Vagrant package and start with the installation. So it's going to ask you again ID password. Do that and do the installation. So it's pretty quick. Now the Vagrant installation is done. So let's go and see if the installation was done successfully or not. So let's go to terminal and type Vagrant and version. So again, our Vagrant version 2.0.3 is installed, and now the last software which is remaining, it's Virtualbox. So let's do Virtualbox. So the URL is virtualbox.org wiki/downloads, and again, based on your operating system, download that. I'm going to do for OS X. So it's a bit big installer. It will take some time based on your internet speed. Now Virtualbox installer has downloaded. I'm going to start that. So once the installer starts, let's click on Virtualbox package, and start the installation. So I'm going to follow the steps as we did in previous installations, and we will do the installation. Now VirtualBox installation was done, so let's check if it was installed properly or not. So let's go to back to terminal, and to check VirtualBox is installed or not, the command is vbox manage and then version. So with this, it will tell you VirtualBox is properly installed. So now our local environment is set up properly to work with the Chef, and in future videos, we will be using this to set up our own configuration management server, and then we'll see how Chef works. Thank you.